we are going to look at that NWEA report that parents just received from teachers, or that's on its way. So I'm going to help you figure out how to read this a little bit. NWEA puts their scores out as a RIT band, as a RIT score, okay? So your student's score is the blue bar, okay? The blue bar tells you your student's RIT score. At this one, it says 170 right above it, okay? Then you have the privilege of seeing the district mean, the average for the district in orange. Then it is also showing you the norm for the nationwide, what your grade level scores at. Okay. So what teachers are looking at is this fall score compared to the spring score. Okay. We want to see growth. The student started at 170 and grew to 182. That's fantastic. Okay. All we're looking for is growth in that area. Sometimes you might have the sheet that has your projected growth, your goal on it, and it would just be a bar that's on there that has this like striped, digited, I don't know, little stripes in it anyways, that are dots kind of looking. This report doesn't have it on there. The important part is we're just looking for growth, okay? Another way to figure out, well, what does that 182 mean? Well, let's look up here. And we are in math, so we're going to look at the math norm sheet. See math? And we're looking for 182. There is not a 182. There's a 175, and there's a 184. We're going to go with 184 because that is closer to 182. You can see that your student is scoring. See, it says grade level. It's second grade. It says winter mean. So their winter score, they're scoring as if they are in second grade, the middle of the year. Okay. So if you are a third grader and you get a 184 in math, you're looking that you're scoring at a second grade level, middle of the year. The other thing that teachers look at is the percentile rank. Okay. It's the middle number in there. So the student started off at 1 percentile and grew to the 10th percentile over the course of the year, which is fantastic. So what the percentile is it's nationwide 0 to 100. Where does your student rank within all of those, if we're a fifth grader, all those fifth graders, okay? If you are ranking at 50%, you are proficient in your grade level. If you're ranking above 50%, you are proficient or advanced, okay? So our goal is 50 to 100. If you are scoring anywhere from 49 to 0, you are scoring below grade level. It just means you need some TLC. We've got some gaps to fill, and we can work on those together, okay? If you have any further questions, you can reach out to your teacher. Have a fantastic day.